How to use Apple ID Screen Time feature. First of all, you have to go ahead and open the settings application on your iPhone or iPad. Now you simply have to scroll down and tap the screen time function. Once you tap on it, you simply have to turn on screen time and read the summary overview. Then tap continue. Select either this is my iPhone or this is my child's iPhone. Then proceed to create a dedicated password. Inside the screen time menu, scroll down and tap the lock screen time settings, then enter a unique 4-digit code and make sure it is different from your standard phone unlock passcode. Then provide your Apple ID and password and then proceed to configure your restrictions such as downtime, app limits, always allowed, or simply content and privacy restrictions. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.